Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to be making a round glam mirror. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some floral diamond wrap. I picked this up at Efavormart.com. Efavormart.com is an online retailer of event supplies, party supplies, event decor and lighting, and so much more. They've reached out to me and I've partnered with them. They provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word, just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart.com. I will have Efavormart.com's information along with my custom coupon code and affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. Also from Efavormart, I have some of these Angel's Tears pendants. They're crystal pendants, so you will need some of those. From Efavormart, I also have some glitter foam. From Dollar Tree, you're going to need a large piece of foam board. You're going to need one of these one of these square mirrors. I also have some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. In here I have some loose diamond gemstones. They are from Walmart. The silver craft paint is from Walmart. From Dollar Tree I have one of these mirrors, and you're just going to need either a picture frame or mirror that has a little hook on it because you're going to be possibly using this as the hook for your mirror. So you will need something like that. And also from Walmart I have some peel and stick gemstones. Now you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And I've got just a large charger here, and I think this is a 15-inch charger. I'm going to be using this to trace out the shape for my mirror onto the foam board. So you'll need something round, and you can make your mirror whatever size you'd like to make it. But these are the items that we'll need in order to get the project completed. Oh, one last thing. Some hot glue. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you want to make this permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will work. These are the items that we'll need in order to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this mirror turn out beautifully? And it's so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it guys, another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.